What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a get ready with me, like 100% get ready with me. That means hair and makeup. So before I get started, make sure that y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that y'all can be notified every time I post a new video. All right, let's get into it. It has been way too hot for me to wear a wig, so I decided to take my hair down, and today I'm just going to do a slick ponytail, actually like a side ponytail. I started by putting a little bit of conditioner and some water inside my spray bottle, and I just sprayed my hair and I'm just brushing it through just so it can get a little bit softer. It's been in those braids and kind of glued down under my frontal wig for quite some time, so I'm just trying to get it moist, get some moisturizer in there so my hair doesn't break off too bad. Today's choice of edge control is actually my everyday choice, which is my own brand, Bratty Hair Creations Edge Control, which is fire, and it smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. Sure to leave the link down in the description box below, so make sure that y'all check that out because it does work wonders and it will speak for itself in this video. No, y'all see that? Look at them edges. This, I'm not gonna lie, the frontal that I had on did take my edges out a little bit, but I'm gonna show y'all a trick a little bit further into this video. But as for this edge control, it is working wonders and it is really slicking my hair down. Super fire. Trying to recreate the slick back ponytail, I will say that you do need a really good brush because you will need something that's going to be hard and actually lay your hair down pretty flat. This one is pretty good, but they do have them at the beauty supply, which I also think work really well, the really hard and small ones. I did use my edge control for my edges. I did also use just the regular Pro Style black gel. I want your hair to be as flat and as slick as possible, so I just put my brush inside of the gel and I just brushed it through my hair. So I will say that the Bratty Hair Creations Edge Control plus the Pro Style gel is the perfect duo for this look. Now, this is a little brush I was talking about earlier that I got from the beauty supply. I think it was like $1, and it does have a soft end and a hard end, and the hard end does work perfect to create this ponytail look. My hair is just so thick, especially in the middle, which I didn't give a lot of attention to. I kind of just did everything around it. So it's so thick, y'all, and so hard to try to get into this ponytail. Now that my hair is pretty much prepped, I'm gonna go ahead and put it into a ponytail. Damn near smiling trying to put this bitch in a ponytail. As usual, you know we gonna make it do what it do. I know a lot of people say not to wrap it around too tight because you don't want your head to hurt. I am the complete opposite. I want my stuff to stick. I want it to look good. I don't want it to fall off. And plus that, I'm going to take it off before I head to bed anyway. So I did make my ponytail super tight, as you can see, just so everything looks good. Everything was flat and stayed together. As I was saying earlier, I did get my edges taken out just a little bit, well shit, a lot of bit, by this frontal wig. So to fill in my edges, instead of doing some crazy stuff, I just use black edge control and it works a very, very good job. I promise you, it's better than the mascara and it's better than the Sharpie. It's better than both of them. It's really good and it does give you a very natural look. It does tend to get like a little bit messy, but at the end it will all be cleaned up. Just wait on it. Not too crazy with the baby hair, but I did do a couple little swoops here, as you can see. To finish it all off, just to continue to let it stay molded down throughout the day, I did put some more gel in the front and in the back, pretty much everywhere, just to make sure that everything is flat, neat, and slicked down. And to top it all off, I did use this hairspray just to hold everything down and in place. Like I said, y'all, it's hella hot right now in Minnesota, and I needed everything to be good and flat. I twisted my hair a little bit just to make it into a bun to wrap the hair around it. It's a lot easier than doing just an actual ponytail, otherwise it won't look right. So I do suggest that you do that when trying to do the slick back ponytail look. To start off, I did wrap it around the ponytail a little bit. I took a bobby pin just to make sure that it would stay in place so that it wouldn't slip off, y'all. Like, I be turned up. I don't need my hair falling off in nobody's club. For this look, I used a bundle of hair from when I had my curly hair, actually last year. So I've had this hair for a year, and this is also from my own hair brand. So like I said before, I'm gonna link that in the description box. But for this, I just went ahead and wrapped it around my bun. So you just take the wefts, I double them, and I just wrap them around my bun and kept going and kept going. Once you get to the end, you're gonna do the same process as you did to put it on in the first place. You're just gonna take another bobby pin, stick it in there, and make sure, again, that it's solid, flat, laid down, and that nothing's gonna come flying off. And to hide the ponytail and just to hide the wefts and pretty much just to keep the ponytail secure, I took a piece from the bottom. I went ahead and I sprayed that with some hairspray just so that will all stay together. And I went ahead and I wrapped it around the ponytail, making everything pretty much disappear so that it looks very natural and sleek. I went ahead and sprayed that over one more time, again, making sure that everything is good and will stay in place. After I did that, I decided that I actually wanted my ponytail to be to the side, but you can do it either way. I feel like it looks good both ways. So I went ahead and I put mine to the side. Like I said before, I've had this hair for a year, actually longer than a year. So it's actually really in good condition, and curly hair is amazing. All you have to do is go ahead and wet it. So this is still my conditioner and my water in the spray bottle. And I'm just going ahead spraying through the hair. I haven't combed through it or anything, y'all. I literally have just sprayed it with water, nothing else. Okay, now I'm starting to see her. She looking like she getting ready, because I was looking crazy at the beginning of this video. But as y'all can see, it's super simple, super easy, and your girl is about to be on fleek. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna touch my edges up and everything a little bit before I decide to go ahead and tie my head up before I start my makeup. Hairspray is gonna be your best friend, at least my best friend in this whole look. I love it. I love it, and it helps with everything. This is the Argan oil. I think it's like 4-in-1. It's like a conditioner, a defrizzer, and a couple of other things, but it smells so fire, y'all, and it works really good for your hair. So my ponytail was really good all day. All right, y'all, now that I'm done doing my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and start beating this face. I use the Pond's moisturizer. Even though I have really oily skin, it's really important to moisturize your skin still, and that's gonna help your makeup set in and look really good all day as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that here. I know I just dramatically jumped scenes, y'all, but my camera did die on me. So in the meantime, I just did my brows and changed my outfit so that I can get ready to go after I'm done with my makeup. If y'all want to see a brow tutorial, comment below and let me know. I am using the Fenty, and I'm in color 430. I'm using the Benefits, I think, foundation brush or perfection face brush, one of the two, but I'll link it down below. And this brush is really good. I'm used to using a beauty blender, but I decided to try this brush today, and it works wonders. But also notice that I do put my foundation on my lids as well, only because I feel like it's like a crucial part of like my makeup routine. Y'all can do it however y'all want to. Makeup is free, makeup is fun, and you're welcome to do it however you want to, but that is how I do my makeup, and I just feel like it helps my makeup blend and just look a whole lot better, and you'll agree with me once you see the finishing look. I am Fenty gang all day. So on top of the Fenty foundation, I'm using the concealer, I think also in the color 430. And I'm dying at that scene because that is how I look every time I'm trying to apply my concealer. Am I the only one, or do y'all do that too? Let me know, comment down below. Using the Real Techniques brush. I think this is the set-in brush, but I'm using it for my concealer, and it works really well, y'all. I have their beauty blenders and pretty much all their brushes, and they work really well. They're everywhere at Target, Walmart, so I would definitely say to invest in those. They're pretty cheap, and they work just as well as the expensive makeup brushes. See, look at that. It's all coming together, y'all. Yes. So for my setting powder, I'm gonna use the Sacha Buttercup. I'm not gonna lie, this is a little bit expensive. It's like $30, but I have had it for quite a while, and it does work really good, especially for darker toned skin, for me versus the Airspun. So I would say to invest in the Sacha Buttercup. It does work very well. I am a very oily person, so when I bake everywhere, and I bake a lot, and my makeup does last all throughout the day. And I do have an updated routine on how I make my makeup last all day, so I'll be doing a video on that as well. Go ahead and put on some of the 25mm lashes. These are also from my own brand. I am crazy. These are also from my own brand. I had to apply those off of camera because your girl is still learning. I be having to focus when I put these lashes on, but they look so good, and I love the drama. Now that I have let my makeup sit for a while, since I took 20 years to put my lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead in with a powder brush and just dab it into my skin. I actually think I got this brush from Burlington in a little pack, but they work good. I just feel like all brushes pretty much do the same thing. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get the same look. To contour, I'm gonna go ahead in with the Anastasia palette. I actually got this from, I want to say, Marshall's. They are super clutch when it comes to makeup. So I went ahead and went in with that a little bit. I don't contour too much, and I don't use cream contour at all. So I kind of just can be anywhere with my powder. I'm not too big on it, but I wanted to put some color back into my face. I also use the buffing brush from Real Techniques to go back in and kind of put some more color into my face, on my forehead and everything as well. I use Anastasia glow kit for my highlight, but I usually put my liner on first, so I went ahead and did that before I did my highlight. And I just got this from Ulta, and their eyeliner works really good. It doesn't bleed, and it really does last all day for me, so I would suggest shopping that brand because it's hard to find a good eyeliner out here. I didn't go too dark with the liner. I just put it on my waterline a little bit just to give my eyes a little bit more depth and a little bit more color as well. I'm going in with my glow kit. I'll go ahead and put the color and all that in the description box as well, but I'm just highlighting under my eyebrow bone on both of my brows here. The fan brush wasn't doing like too much for me, and I'm actually a fan of the fan brush, but I'm going to end up using a different brush later on in this tutorial. But I did highlight under my brows with that. This is also a Real Techniques brush and came in the pack that I got. But look at that highlight, y'all. What? Yes. Again, makeup is free and fun. You can do as much or as little as you want. I do over highlight everywhere. I put it on my forehead, my nose, my brow bone, my chin. I put it everywhere. I love to look what good. Like, you gonna see me coming down the street. Do you see that? Wait until I hit that nose. Ooh! So now I'm gonna go ahead in with my lip pencil. It's in the color Cocoa Brown, and I just got this from the beauty supply as well. I think it was like $1. I have like pretty much every color from the beauty supply. Again, y'all, they work just as well as these ones out here that cost $10, more than that. They work just as well. Lip gloss that I'm going to apply is, I think, cocoa butter like lip gloss, but also from the beauty supply. I am beauty supply shawty, y'all. I will shop anywhere for makeup. And as you can see, it look fire, and it keeps my lips moisturized. It doesn't dry it out at all. Stated earlier, I am a super oily person, so I do use this Matte Fix Plus setting spray, and it works wonders. It brings my makeup together so good. I don't use any other setting spray. I used to use NYX, but I am a true fan to the MAC setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm putting my earrings in, y'all, because I'm feeling myself. Wait till I snatch this scarf off. You see me, like, I just went from nothing to something, okay? Wait, what? Yes, like, this look came out so good, y'all. So good. Edges is laid, highlight is popping, curls is popping. We did that. I didn't leave my scarf on for too long, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and touch my edges up a little bit just to make sure that they're still laying down and that they're flat. And I'm gonna go ahead with my hairspray and spray that down one more time to make sure that them babies is stuck throughout the day. And after all of that, she is finally ready, y'all. We did it, from the hair down to the makeup, the outfit change, and the earrings. Looking good. All right, beauties, we are finally done. Make sure that y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so that y'all know when I upload a new video. Make sure that y'all are part of the notification gang, because we coming with these joints back to back to back. All right, y'all. Peace.